Jayalakshmi Narayanan is reimagining Bharatanatyam, bringing India's classical dance to new audiences while staying true to its tradition. Through her school, JNSD, she creates performances on contemporary themes like women empowerment, men's mental health, and social harmony. Inclusivity is central to her work. Children with autism and those who are hearing or visually impaired learn adapted Bharatanatyam, while scholarships support students from underprivileged backgrounds.
Through online programs, international workshops, and thematic productions, I aim to build a strong community of mindful dancers who are not just performers but the torchbearers of our Indian culture and heritage.
Her work breaks the social barriers, celebrates cultural diversity, and inspires audiences young and old, making Bharatanatyam not just a performance, but an experience rooted in tradition, yet boldly accessible to all.